Hello friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button and do not forget to press the bell icon. Welcome back to my channel friends, this is Sonia here from Growing Craft, and today I have my daughter Vanya here with me. She's sitting next to me and
Hello.
yeah, and she wanted to see that what I'm making today. So today I'm not making anything. So this has been one of the most requested video recently, that how do I clean my paint brushes. So these are the few brushes which I use, and you can see most of them are not at all of very good condition because I've been like working too much nowadays and I hardly get time to clean up these paint brushes. So I thought I should share my paintbrush cleaning system, the tutorial with you all. So for this, what we are going to need is clean water, an old toothbrush. Please make sure that it's not a very rotten one, because we want something which has a good bristle so that we can clean it, use this for cleaning. Then we'll need a liquid utensil cleaner, yeah, and you will need a turpentine. So these are actually used to dilute your oil colors, but these are also very helpful in cleaning your paint brushes. Now how to start with this? Now here I have a glass container. In this I am going to pour this turpentine, and now in this I am going to soak my paint brushes. Now whenever you are doing this cleaning work, you have to make sure that you are working in an open area. Please do not work in the closed areas. Okay, now I can smell some really, it doesn't smell good at all, and it's not good to breathe in this thing. When I shift a little back, shift back please. Yeah, so you can see that the color of my water is changing. Now as I rub my brushes here, let me add some more of turpentine.
It's very bad for your nose.
It's very bad for your respiratory system ideally. So you don't have to dip your brushes in this. Now till the time I have soaked in these brushes, what I'm going to do is, in this jar, maybe let me just transfer this water in this jar so that I can show you how it looks. And in this I am pouring in my liquid utensil cleaner. Okay, now once I am done with this, so this is my turpentine, and I'm cleaning my brushes very well. And as soon as I'm done with this, like, you don't have to soak your brushes in the turpentine, because it will it will make this thing loose, so your bristles might come out. So do not dip this in the turpentine for longer time. Clean it up, then immediately pour this into this liquid dishwasher. So this is my dishwasher, and this one has turpentine. I'll just keep these containers next to each other so that it's easier for you to understand. Now I'll repeat the same process for all the brushes. It's okay.
That's a large amount of brushes.
मैं अभी मैं voice recording कर रही हूँ.
Blah 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 blah.
Do you want to say something? Then I can keep it down.
Mama, now when you these change colors.
So you can see that how the color is changing of my turpentine. So it was this clear, and now can you see?
Can you?
So here you can see that all the hard colors which were there in the brushes can be removed easily. Can you see in my cloth that all the paints have come out? So this is what turpentine helps with.
So I got some water from my mother.
Yeah, Vanya is trying to be a very good help. Yeah.
Mama, I'll sit here and keep it.
Can you see that how all the excessive colors are coming out? Even I can clean up my paint brushes also. See?
À deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter. À deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, de doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Le bonheur est passé à deux doigts de nos lèvres, deux doigts si fins que j'ai presque pu le goûter, le bonheur à sculpter de son ciseau d'orfèvre, des souvenirs impossibles à effacer. Que j'ai presque pu le goûter.
So friends, in the last part, I'm going to help my mother clean the brushes. So first, I'm going to be cleaning the pink colored mug with plain water, total plain water, and then be adding liquid dish wash, and then I'm going to be taking the brushes and cleaning them in it. After that, I'm again going to take out the brushes and then clean the mug again, and then take total clean water and then clean it in that. So your brush doesn't remain soapy, slippery. So plain water, and then you will be needing to dry your brushes in a clean cloth. If possible, you can hang the brushes.
This is how it looks after this.
See, look at the brushes, they're shining. They're shining after they dry out. Now, so friends, if you like this tutorial, please subscribe and give a big thumbs up to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.